Let's try, let's do it.
Okay. Wow.
Very pretty, no? This is called boho decor. So what we can do is guys, ये पूरा black है तो इसको मुझे white में convert करने के लिए around 1200 खर्चा करना पड़ेगा. 3000 दे दो, मैं 3000 में पूरा कर
But
दूँ.
not more than 3000.
ठीक है, 3000 का बजट ममाने दिया. We have to do an entire makeover. सामने वाली वॉल है, that is what I wake up to every morning and I'm bored with that wall. वही देख के इंसान बोर हो जाता है. So I need to change up a few things, mix and match. Let's do 2-3 DIYs. We can save up a lot of money. And boho decor, like I said, does not have a structure. We can play around with a lot of leaves, green plants. I do have
The fresh one?
fresh नकली जो भी है, मतलब green add करो effect.
White and green.
का basic and some wooden textures, wooden if you can play with that. और एक cozy reading corner बनाना है because that is something that everybody wants to. And there can be a case कि आपके पास अगर आपका rented house हो तो हर बार सबके पास chair या ये सब available नहीं होगा.
We'll make a sitting arrangement ना?
Sitting करेंगे, हाँ. एक नीचे बैठक style cozy reading corner. सामने की वॉल को चेंज अप करेंगे 2-3 DIYs and also a bedroom, different bedroom canopy which nobody has done on YouTube yet, but we are going to do it.
Let's try.
Let's do it.
Okay.
This is how my room exactly looked like before. So let's begin with the bed canopy makeover. Let's get started with the transformation. Okay, for step 1, let's convert the black area to white. उसके लिए I ordered 3D bricks from Amazon. It has this self-adhesive one, तो तुम खुद से लगा सकती हो, don't need anybody's help. Now it's easy to stick around with, but it's 3D, so you need to be little bit careful. Do not play around while you're sticking it. अच्छे से stick कर लो, and it actually gives the aesthetic white brick wall effect that we all love. I wanted to have this white brick effect since the longest time and it turned out exactly the way I pictured it. Covering this entire area cost me exactly $1,200. If you've noticed the picture carefully, it had 2 sticks that created the entire canopy effect. So we got similar sticks from a nearby carpenter for $500. So we are done with 1700 of the budget. Honestly, task तो ये था कि वो sticks को ऊपर proper खड़ा कैसे करें. तो उसके लिए हमने जूट स्ट्रिंग लिया एंड वी टाइड द स्टिक्स टुगेदर. हमने इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में एक्चुअली जूट स्ट्रिंग ही यूज़ किया है बिकॉज दैट्स समथिंग जो हम कम्प्लीटली रिलाई कर सकते हैं. अब हम लोअर पार्ट फिक्स करते हैं. उसके लिए वी स्टक इट विद सेलो टेप, जो थिक आता है ना, थिक सेलो टेप विद दैट. एंड टू फिक्स इट फॉर एवर हमने जो थोड़ा सा 3D वॉलपेपर बचा था वो भी स्टिक कर दिया टू जस्ट फिक्स इट टुगेदर. अब स्टिक्स तो इन प्लेस आ चुके थे. इट वॉज टाइम फॉर कैनोपी टू सेट अप. वी गॉट अ नेट क्लॉथ फ्रॉम अ मटेरियल शॉप फॉर 350 रुपीज़ एंड क्रिएटेड प्लीट्स जस्ट लाइक हम साड़ी के टाइम क्रिएट करते हैं. एंड टाइड द क्लॉथ विथ हेल्प ऑफ अ रोप, अगेन द जूट वाला. Short girl issues. We tied the net fabric to the stick with the help of a jute thread. So that took us a little bit while because height nahi pahunch rahi thi. Well, we have one last step left, that is adding the fairy lights and then securing the canopy at the last end. Sticking a no-drill nail on the wall, we tied the canopy to the nail. याद रखिए to use jute string because that's something that will never ditch you. If you get a chance to drill a nail, there's nothing like it, but if not, we have options of no-drill nail just like shown here. Now to add the fairy lights, you just loop the fairy lights easily onto the nail and you can arrange it in any way that you want to. Net and fairy lights का जो effect है, that's unbeatable. Now no drill nails can of course be a savior, so here to the entire canopy effect, we wanted a combination of white, wood as well as green. So we wanted to add a wooden log piece that can be a statement in this wall. So again we looped in the wooden piece on the no drill nail and added some artificial green veil along with it. On the other side of the wall मैंने ये tropical printed frames लगाई हैं जो 350 Amazon से लिया हुआ है. ये ऑलरेडी डबल साइडेड टेप के साथ आता है, तो विद द सेम टेप वी जस्ट स्टक द फ्रेम्स स्टेयरकेस के शेप में. और बाय द वे लिंक्स टू ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, तो वीडियो के एंड पे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक करना ना भूलिए. Adding books and placing a showpiece over it is one of my go-to decors and a perfect idea for a bedside decor. तो मैंने सिमिलर चीज़ यहाँ पे भी की है और इसके साथ थोड़ा सा ग्रीन भी टच ऐड किया है. लाइक आई सेड, white, wood and green was the theme of my bed canopy decor. On the other side, I placed a bookshelf, again Amazon purchase, added a few artificial leaves and binded the entire look together. It was time for our wall DIY. This is how my previous wall looked like. Honestly, this time when I thought I wanted something in my room that belongs to me और जो खुद से मैंने DIY किया है, so this time I decided to paint. I took some inspiration from Pinterest, got a bunch of paintings that were created around this theme of modern art. मुझे इस बार modern art create करना था. I feel adding your own handmade art piece makes your room more artistic and more of your vibe. पेंटिंग्स तो हो चुके थे और कैनवस जब वी प्लेस्ड ऑन द वॉल इट एक्चुअली डिडंट लुक दैट ग्रेट. So we took it down and we added a border with the help of a black chart paper, black as well as dark green. Honestly, just look at the difference. It instantly just made the frames pop out so well. Moral of the story, adding a dark color frame changes the look instantly. Now this is a tip. नॉर्मली मैंने बहुत सारे घरों में ऐसे वुडन शेल्व्स देखे थे, तो हियर्स अ टिप ऑन हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट अ वुडन स्विंग फ्रॉम द वुडन शेल्व्स दैट यू ऑलरेडी हैव. We had those shelves that we got from Amazon and we used the same stuff that we had. Tie 2 loops at both the ends. And here's how you simply can create a swing out of the wooden shelves. My mom had this unique piece that she grew in quarantine. यार ये मनी प्लांट बहुत ही सुंदर है. Adding green leaves to your room adds a lot of fresh air. So I'm not very good at maintaining. My mom does it for me. Adding a money plant was not it. We added these bird stickers जो actually सिर्फ 100 रुपए का लिया था from Amazon. And I even painted the eyes and thoda sa here and there to make it look like it's my own creation. Ta-da! This is how it looked like. Now for DIY 3, you need nails at different random positions like I have here. Now this can be done even on walls jahan pe you have tons of frames already, and if you want to change up that wall, you can try this one. Take a jute thread and create a fun abstract effect by twirling around the nails. If you still want to add something, you can create these DIY frames from old books or newspapers. Stick it on a thick chart paper and voila! You need these wooden pins and you need your favorite pics that you want to hang on. And trust me, I feel this is the most simplest and easiest DIY ever. But it gives kind of the vintage effect and complements my room decor. Our cozy corner is in progress. Let's start building up the tassel hanging. You need wool as well as a dry stick. That is it, guys. That is it. Now, depending on the length of the tassel you want, select one object. Complete at least 20 to 25 rounds around the similar object. Cut it from the center and tie it. Later on, hold it and tie another knot to make your very own tassel. You are done, buddy. That's how you create a tassel. It hardly takes a few seconds, and you can create at least a minimum of 7 tassels to create this small tassel hanging. 14 for a double color one. I created 2 tassel hanging and hung the double color one behind my door. और single color जो tassel hanging है that I hung over the sitting area. Well, honestly, that's it. You can enjoy your room, and let me show you how the room looks like when the lights turn off.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. Best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body.